Two teenagers standing in the rain. Blink and disappear in the light of passing cars. Above them, wind slaps a flagstaff, its empty halyard a frenzy of applause. Something in the shape of their embrace, mold setting, the development of film, an inoculation of bare root trees. Men pass at the door of the bookies, faces tangled away from one another. An old woman picks at a scratch card. Minutes pass, and they have not moved. A splash of road water lifts up around them, and for a moment, against the streetlight, they are a statue, grottoed by 1,000 candles, a site marked as the ground of revelation, a place for those who understood, once at least, a certainty of this world.